and you're getting great value. Safety tech is everywhere. Lane assist, collision avoidance, adaptive cruise. Interiors are using more sustainable, recyclable materials, and charging stations are popping up everywhere, getting faster too. EVs are just more practical now, period. Looking forward, keep an eye on solid-state batteries for even better performance and faster charging. More affordable models are coming too. Think under 30 grand with great range. Autonomous driving is leveling up, with some cars hitting level 3 or higher for true hands-free cruising. And the charging network is only going to keep growing, making road trips easier than ever. Automakers are also getting way more serious about sustainability and shrinking their carbon footprint. Bottom line, 2025 is a turning point for electric cars. Whether you're into speed, space, or just saving some cash, there's an EV for you right now. Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more future-focused car content. And hey, let me know, do you want the next video on electric trucks, luxury EVs, or are you curious about autonomous vehicle tech? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
2025 is the year electric vehicles finally hit their stride. Today, we're counting down the top 5 electric